Hello, I just thought I would do a little tutorial about LinkedIn and the power of LinkedIn in terms of applying for your dream job position. Now, LinkedIn obviously is a platform, a more professional platform that you can actually apply for jobs on, and your profile acts almost like your own personal landing page, your own personal website, your own personal CV, because it's populated with it should be populated with all your best bits, all your professional achievements. It can be used to represent your brand and who you are, your expert status and your specialisms in the field that you work in. And it can be used in different ways. So from the perspective of you applying for your dream job, then you can find recruiters, employers, people who work in the organizations that you want to work with, all in one place on LinkedIn. Therefore, you could be connecting with those people, those recruiters, those managers, those staff from the organizations that you want to work with. Obviously, each approach has its own kind of strategy, and you kind of need to know what you're doing, but I'm using this kind of video here to just outline the basics in terms of the potential of LinkedIn. So you can apply, you can connect. You can also use it to raise your own profile, so to build your expert status. So you could be posting content, you could be creating articles, you could be doing videos like this on subjects that you feel passionate about. And all of it is kind of building your credibility to be an authority in your area. And if you use it for that, then when you get to interview, that can act as a talking point and it can reinforce your passion. So you could be saying, I really am passionate about this particular area. I recently wrote an article about it, or, and this kind of approach can help you be featured in podcasts, or it can open the doors for networking. So LinkedIn can be used in all different ways. On the flip side, recruiters and employers who are looking to fill their positions obviously are using LinkedIn, and the algorithms, depending on whether or not your profile is optimized, they will find you based on skills and experience and job titles and various criteria. And instead of sifting through a load of CVs, they can sift through profiles and think, does this person look like a match? And approach people based on their experience. If that's the case, then that means that LinkedIn is working for you, because you're attracting recruiters, headhunters, people who specialize in that field to have you in their portfolio. All of this works only if you have a really strong LinkedIn profile and that you have kind of a strategy that you're using to maximize how you present yourself. And you kind of need to be interview ready as well. You need to be ready to talk about yourself, because it could be that when everything is aligned and it works really well, you could just literally be invited for a conversation, for a chat, to chat through your experience. And what do you know, you're on your way to getting the job that you want. So there is a lot of power in LinkedIn when you know how to use it well. Finally, if you're interviewing, you can obviously look at the potential people that might be on the interview panel. And very often they will search for you on LinkedIn to check your credibility, to check what you've put into your CV or application form. So it's really important, if you want to utilize and maximize LinkedIn, to make sure that you have a strong personal brand, a strong core offer, so that they can clearly see why they should be talking to you as opposed to anybody else. and use it to your benefit. So I hope that you found this useful. If you want any more hints and tips, I include them all in my Claim the Dream Job That You Deserve masterclass, which you'll find the link for in my features section or my profile section, depending on where you're watching this, or on my website, judybullymore.com. So I hope you found this useful.